If you're looking to start a business, then this is your lucky day. In this video, I'm going to share 7 businesses that are perfect for starting in 2021. There's never been a better time than now, so don't wait any longer. Take advantage of these opportunities today. 1. Affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is great for someone who enjoys being the middleman. You should be able to sell items without coming across as a salesperson. Affiliate marketing organizations make money by sharing a portion of the revenue earned by their campaigns. This might be a successful online business strategy for popular bloggers or podcasters who can generate a large audience of potential clients for their affiliates. To get started, you don't need to spend any money. You can get started with a free social media platform. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to make money while sleeping. Affiliate marketers work with brands to generate affiliate deals, create fresh content to entice customers, and seek new companies to engage with. The top 1% of affiliate marketers earn significantly more than $2 million per year, even though most affiliate marketers earn less than $20,000 each year. 2. Content marketing agency. People who want to create a content marketing agency should be interested in creating marketing materials and strategizing with businesses to use them. A typical day's work includes finding new clients, establishing marketing strategies, and writing content. To run a successful content marketing agency, you'll need a diverse set of professional skills and experience in areas like search engine optimization and Google Analytics. There aren't any upfront costs other than expertise and experience. If you want to be a successful content marketing agency, you must keep your portfolio up to date. As long as you continue to hire more people and get more clients, there is no limit to how much money your company can make. 3. Market research company. Starting a marketing research firm is a good choice for anyone who enjoys building the groundwork for identifying prospective clients' ideas, habits, and desires. Interpersonal skills are required for interviews and surveys, which are standard methods of market research. The majority of the day-to-day activities are surveys and in-person or telephone interviews. Market research firms will always be in demand because practically all organizations require constant market research to be relevant. The average annual salary for a one-person market research firm is $51,000. 4. Email marketing. Email marketing is another marketing online business that you might be interested in. Email marketing is a reliable way to stay connected with customers and buy more things from you. With email marketing, you can send mass emails and personalize messages based on the preferences of each customer during the checkout process. This business idea is ideal for someone who likes having control over their schedule. You don't need any upfront costs to work at an email marketing company, but some organizations only offer freelance work until clients are won over. To start an email marketing business, you'll need to spend time making a fresh and updated email list. You will also have to keep up with the changing laws of email marketing, including the rules about personalization and privacy. As an email marketer, there is no limit to how much money you can make as long as your clients are engaged in what you're offering them. 5. Online marketing manager. Online marketing manager careers are ideal for people with excellent communication skills and want to work directly with clients. An online marketing manager is responsible for developing analytics tools, setting up campaigns, and overseeing content distribution strategies on behalf of a business. The median salary for a one-person online marketing agency is $80,000 annually. The top 1% earn more than $250,000 per year but may have to work long hours as they strategize how each company can develop an advantage in their niche market. 6. Online services advisor. This is another good option if you like to be self-employed without dealing with the nuances of a startup. Online services advisors help clients develop digital marketing strategies, which means you can perform remote work and offer your expertise wherever you live. If you excel at social media networking, blog posting, and helping people increase their online presence on various platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook, you'll enjoy this type of job. The average annual salary for an online advisor is $43,000, but your income will vary based on how much business you win from clients. 7. Search engine optimization. Another online marketing business you can look into is search engine optimization. If you're not the type of person who wants to spend a lot of time working on business building activities, search engine optimization may be the perfect fit for you. As an SEO specialist, your main responsibility is to find ways to help businesses rank highly in Google search results without spending too much money on paid advertising. You'll need good research skills and excellent writing abilities because you will have to write or talk about strategies that can optimize prospects' website rankings based on their industry niche. The average annual salary for a one-person online marketing agency specializing in SEO is $41,000, but this figure varies based on how quickly clients start buying services from you. There you have it, 7 online businesses you can start today. If you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments.